Hi everyone, welcome to Imagine Simple English. I'm Ralph, and with me is my co-host, Wendy. How are you doing today?
Hi, Ralph. I'm great, thank you. Excited to be here and ready to help everyone improve their English. The weather is so nice today, don't you think?
Yes, it is. By the way, are you free this afternoon?
I am not sure. Let me check my schedule. What's the plan?
There is a new art exhibition downtown. I know you are interested in art, so I thought we could go together.
That sounds amazing. I am definitely interested. What time is it?
It is at 3 p.m. We could meet at 2:30 and grab some coffee first.
Perfect. Oh, by the way, how is your brother?
Oh, he is fine now. He was sick last week, but now he is back at school.
That's good to hear. And your parents, are they okay?
Yes, they are. They are on vacation in Italy right now.
Wow, lucky them. Italy is such a beautiful country.
It is. I wish I could join them. But for now, I am happy to spend time with you this afternoon.
Me too. Let's make it a fun day.
Did you notice how many times we used am, is, and are in their conversation? It's everywhere in English.
That's right. Practicing simple dialogues like this can help you get comfortable with grammar and everyday conversations.
Are you enjoying this episode? We'd like to let you know that we're using Essential Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy as the basis for this episode. If you're interested in getting your own copy, we've included the link in the description. It's a fantastic resource for learning English, so be sure to check it out. Still sticking to the verb to be theme, there's a very famous story that fits perfectly. Do you know which one, Wendy?
There are so many, but I'm not sure which one you're thinking of.
The Little Prince.
Ralph, that's one of my all-time favorites. My parents used to read it to me before bed. Let me read it this time. Please.
Of course. Go ahead. Here's the paragraph I picked out for us. It's a simplified version of the story, focused on helping beginners practice their English. But the essence of the original dialogue is still there.
The little prince is a curious boy who lives on a small planet. His planet is tiny, but it is very special to him. There is only one rose on the planet, and it is his favorite flower. The rose is beautiful, but it is also very proud. The little prince often asks her, "Why are you so proud?" The rose always replies, "I am the only rose here. I am unique." The prince is happy with his rose, but he is also lonely. He wonders, are there other roses out there? Are there other planets like mine?
Perfect, Wendy.
Isn't that lovely? Did you notice all the examples of am, is, and are? For example, his planet is tiny. Or, there is only one rose on the planet.
Yes. These little words are simple but so important. They connect everything in English. Now, let's hear what happens when the little prince begins his adventure. One day, the little prince decides to explore the universe. I am ready for an adventure, he says. He visits several planets and meets different people. On one planet, there is a king who says, "I am the ruler of everything you see." The prince asks, "Are you really in charge of everything?" The king smiles and replies, "I am the king, but my power is limited." On another planet, the prince meets a businessman who says, "I am counting stars. They are all mine." The little prince is confused and asks, "Are stars something you can own?" The businessman doesn't answer. The prince realizes that people are strange, but they are also very interesting.
Ralph, so many simple and impactful examples.
What a curious little prince. And so many great examples of grammar, like, "I am ready for an adventure," or, "The king says, I am the ruler of everything you see."
That's right. Stories like this help you see how grammar works naturally. And the more you listen and read, the more confident you'll feel using it.
So, here's your challenge. Read these paragraphs out loud and pay attention to am, is, and are. Try writing your own short story using these words, just like The Little Prince's Adventures.
We can't wait to hear what you create. Now, let's move on to some practical tips for practicing English on your own.
That's right. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. To help you practice, we've pinned some questions in the comments section as a little exercise for you. Make sure to answer them and share your thoughts. Let us know how you're doing with your English.
Also, don't forget to check out another video we've prepared for you. In it, we share a really cool technique to help you train your English even more effectively. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.